Faith-based groups are now reviewing protocols in light of the coronavirus that has reached our shores. The Ministry of Health met with various groups this morning to discuss the impact as well as the implementation of precautionary measures to prevent a spread. Shamela Pullen reports.
Already, some churches under the Jamaica umbrella group of churches are looking to postpone or cancel outside church gatherings to include crusades. The aim is for members to have minimal contact with each other as the COVID-19 coronavirus continues to spread globally, including Jamaica.
Where we can establish texting within our congregants. So we have a centralized texting that we can send information constantly out to our congregants, where we can send words of encouragement to them constantly through texting. We can go to any of the two providers and we can establish that. It's a very reasonable fee to start up.
But on the contrary, the group's chairman, Bishop Conrad Pitkin, says closing church doors would not be necessary at this time.
At this point, we are not asked to do it, but we should still use wisdom where if we need to limit the amount of gathering we have per week, we need to do that immediately. Once the bulletin heightened to close public gathering, we should be willing to do it immediately. Don't wait for anything else.
Bishop Pitkin is calling on the church community to avoid close-up greeting with individuals.
We have recommended very strongly, part of our protocol, no handshakes, no hugging, that those be avoided, and other methods of greeting be used, whether it be the elbowing or the gentle greeting or the gentle bowing.
Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the meeting with the group was a success, and he was assured that he and his team have their full backing.
We're giving them a lot of information as it relates to personal hygiene and the promotion of that within their congregation. We suggested that they establish a committee within their congregation to work specifically at some of the preventative measures like personal hygiene, and of course to encourage the congregation to play their part. And the response was positive, and we will continue to dialogue with them as the need arises.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.